So we are back at the 1966 Blue Wide Gauge for the customer. I have been gone for 4 days and Dad has blitzed through this machine. And we're going to go do a quick update with him. And it looks like you replaced all the carriage bolts and all the nuts.
They're all buttered.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do now, it was too hard to handle that with the track off. So what I'm going to do now is we'll probably loosen the bolt off, take the track off now it's all together.
Okay.
And then I'll do all the wheels, see?
Okay, you're going to take the track off this one?
Yep.
Okay.
I got it already done on the other side.
Okay. So on the other side here, Dad's got it all jacked up. In those 4 days I was gone, Dad's removed all the wheels to do the inspection, and he found that the bearings, races, and seals were all pretty much full shot.
Needed all bearings, races, and seals.
Okay, so
These are good. Chains are good. One cap here is stripped a bit.
yeah,
Yeah, this one. That's a kind of the previous owner, which was
Dad figured out who the
just a
owner
minute.
was.
I'm going to tell you who made this. The person is from Flin Flon,
Okay,
and his name is Evans,
okay,
and he used to own a drilling outfit.
okay,
So he's the one that done all this fancy work on this machine off of some old drill rig or something.
okay,
Really made it. Oh, and his favorite car.
okay,
Anyway, anybody is buying a Bombardier from Evans or known as a misc drilling,
yeah.
look it over real good because
Okay.
it's junk right from one end to the other.
So it's yeah, Dad's just giving his opinion there.
I'm
But
telling the truth.
everything is buyer beware. We keep telling you guys. But were those bearings, races, and seals like shot, or like what was the
Well,
deal?
I'm going to show you.
Oh, okay. Well, hold on a second then.
Here's one thing I want to show these guys. If you got your machine in a shop
Yeah,
and you want to take off, say you put the tracks on, you take those three off, leave that one on, and
Okay.
then you got lots of room to take the track off.
okay,
And then after you got the track off, you service that wheel, put bearing seals and whatnot on, then you can add these in after.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how easy it is.
okay,
Okay, this is a track spreader.
okay,
What you do is put the board down there and lift it up with a jack-all jack. Makes it a lot easier.
okay,
Now you have room to take your nut off and whatnot and slide it out without damaging the seal.
okay.
But there's another trick to it. Look under here. Can you see there?
Yeah.
Okay, you put a block of wood under the track and put the jack on the axle there, and
Yeah.
you lift it up, and that gives you clearance. See?
Okay.
I got two jacks in there, if you can notice.
Yeah.
That's how I get all the clearance I've needed.
Okay. So, again, Dad's done quite a bit here, but we're going to keep on walking around to see what else he's done. And
Okay, I want you to see this because I show them because I gotta let this all down, go to the other side now.
okay, what's this down here in the pail?
Wash pail.
Oh, okay.
And this is
Watch yourself.
how the wipers work now. I haven't got the switch yet because I'm not finished with the dash.
Okay.
But
Oh, there we go.
They work on both sides.
So you didn't have to replace the wiper motors. You
No.
had the parts.
No, I didn't have the parts. What I had was, I have lots of wiper parts, eh?
Yeah.
So I got the arm off of one of my old ones,
Yeah.
and I fixed the arm on that one,
Okay.
and I had some of these wiper blades. I had to cut them to make them fit, eh?
Oh, okay.
But they're brand new,
Okay.
so that'll work.
So, yeah, Dad's been busy in here. But if we go over here, sees Dad has replaced all the carriage bolts and nuts on the one track here. Again, I was gone for a few days. That probably would have been my task, but he barreled through everything to get this done. Stopped and talked to the customer. He gave us some gauges, so Dad now has the gauges for the dash, and you can start installing there. Got the go-ahead to fix any rust we need to fix, which would include this, because you can literally see through all this. So Dad's probably going to have to cut this out or lay a new piece of metal over top. That's on both sides.
Okay, I have to cut a sheet of metal to fit in here to
Yeah.
the edge and back to here, roughly a foot by 15.
Yeah.
Shine it all up and wash it up.
Okay. So you're not cutting that out. You're just fitting it over top.
I'm gonna just put it over top.
Okay.
It doesn't make any difference if it's there or over top,
Yeah.
because a new sheet of metal's good. But
Have you gotten any further on the inside here?
no, waiting for parts. Here,
Okay.
look at this. This door skin. See how it's rotted right out?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta take the door off, cut this off, put a sheet of iron over top of the backside and weld it. Eh?
Okay.
And then, as you can see, this all has to be tacked into place again. Eh?
Yeah. So that's going to be probably quite a bit of work here for Dad. One of the followers here online was asking about rust in the door frame, and if you could do anything, but
What do you mean, rust in the
well, I'll show you here if we just step out of the way. He was asking about here, and I guess it was all rusty in here, and I don't know if the question was about what we could do about the windows or if it was the frame itself, but I know you can fix this. But in terms of windows, guys, we generally tell you guys to just go to like Speedy Auto Glass or something like that and get the windows fitted, because we don't deal in glass.
You can't get. I don't know of any place where you can get the sliders.
Yeah.
And these type of windows, this is glass, see?
Yeah.
So if you have the frame, Speedy Glass can make you a new frame,
Yeah.
but you're just as well off to go to take your door into a glass company, and don't do shit like this. This is some kind of a Mickey Mouse fix that he done again.
Okay. Previous owner. Yeah.
Yeah. So you take this glass right out,
Yeah.
this window,
Okay.
and you go to the body shop, and they'll get a rubber and fit it in here.
Yeah.
Then they'll draw the window, put the window in, the window's in solid.
Yeah.
And then if you want to get air, you can put a 3-inch scoop up here or a 2-inch scoop
Mm-hmm.
that sits over top of the, like up like this,
Mm-hmm.
to let air in.
Okay. Okay. Well, have we?
Or if maybe somebody will make window frames and sliders. I
Yeah.
see Asham got a picture there.
Yeah.
Did he find the windows?
I don't know yet, but
Or, no, not Asham, the guy from the state.
yeah. So again, yeah, Dad is barreling through this. What's the update over here? Still waiting on a rotor. Our local machine shop guy's backed up with orders, so we got to wait for him. So Dad's not progressed over there because we're waiting for the rotor, and we're still waiting for more stuff here from the machine shop on this one. Again, the timeline's still December delivery, guys. It's November 6th, I think it is. and it's a Tuesday anyways. But Dad's still been busy.
Oh,
It's got,
I'm gonna show you another thing.
oh, okay.
It's just a camouflage from one end to the other. See how loose that is?
Yeah.
It's all rusted in behind there.
Oh, nice.
So that'll have to come off
Yeah.
the body, man. Take and put a new board in on both sides.
Okay.
Clean this up good. Maybe even kitty hair behind and sand it.
Yeah.
And this is metal. So
Okay.
put silicone behind that metal after it's all cleaned up. Bolt it on, and you won't get water in behind there.
Okay.
I seen this. I thought, but that's Clearwater's machine.
So, yeah, guys, Dad's been really busy. And so he's going to keep on going here. And we got parts from the customer. The customer has indicated that,
See, like a window man put this in,
yeah,
but then it should have siliconed that hole shut.
yeah.
Put some tape there, here, and
So our job on this machine is to just fix it getting running, and then all this body work. The customer is actually going to take it to a body shop to get it ground down and repainted and body puttied and whatnot. But that's the big update on the Blue Wide Gauge. We have an international customer coming in, and from Minnesota. The machine's already here. You're probably not going to see that video for a couple more days yet. But Dad's waiting on a rotor and other parts here. We're really hoping to get this one at least out the door soon. This one right behind it. Might be at both at the same time. But keep posting the questions. And thank you very much for the latest surge of subscribers. Dad took on 14 or 15 new subscribers just in the last couple of days alone. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ask anything. And oh, wait, there we go.
this is for the boys again. If you can't get at these bolts,
Okay.
zip cut them off. Take
Yeah.
the door off. You see this?
Yeah.
That has to be cut out and put a metal patch in, weld it, so it's tap it so it's a little bit inside body putty.
Yeah.
And put on welded hinges because you can't body putty into that rust.
Yeah.
See
And
this?
that's
There's nothing-
all on the inside there too, guys. So Dad's gonna he's gonna get this running, and then it's gonna be up to the body man after this. But lots of progress. I'm shocked at Dad's progress on this one.
Christ almighty. It's forever.
Okay, we're gonna leave it there, guys, and see you at the next video.